Welcome everybody to today's market outlook. All right, how was last week? I hope everybody all make money. That's good. That's good. That's good. That's good. That's good. Of course, it was an amazing session together. Amazing time. Um, and then I hope you all make money for the week due to the market that we sold out last week. Same thing again this week. Of course, let's go into it. Euro JPY, I'm looking for a buy at this point. However, this market is not exhausted yet. The buy is not exhausted yet. The buy, I still expect the buy to still come back to somewhere around here. Then we test. After the test, that's what I'll be looking to buy. But right now, this is still going to buy. There's still a bit of buying at least to this point before it can be exhausted. The buying has not exhausted yet. You should get to the point, then you can. Then, if it doesn't, if either this buying is exhausted to this point, then come back to fully, or comes to come and sell, or this sell as you starting this sell, the sell should come here and be willing to buy. That is for Euro JPY. I'm also looking for a JP, GDP USD, of course. For GDP, I'm looking for GDP USD. I'm looking for a sell on this in GDP USD, GDP JPY a sell. GDP JPY, I'm looking for a sell. I'm looking for a sell on this. Let me show you. Of course, market has been selling quite a while. I'm looking for a sell on this. Let me show you. It's also a clean trade. I love it. It's also a clean trade. So I'm waiting for it to come and give me confirmation. Imagine, so in all these trades, I'm giving confirmation. It's not just about coming down to your zone or to your interest market, in your area of interest or your position or your attention. This all this stuff has to what give you confirmation candlesticks. I used to say something about confirmation candlesticks. Don't forget. What we talk about candlestick information that must show you before you take an action. So this team market must show me candlestick information at this cycle level. You can see the information. This is sell market, lower low, lower high. You see? So it's at this point now. It is either this market sell a bit, then push, or sell to this will come back to this equal. So I'll be watchful of the sell, even the sell, I'll still be watchful of the sell. It might stop here, the sell might stop here, I might not reach here. Might stop here, then push because of what? Let me show you. Because of what I'm seeing at this point here. Can you see? So what I'm saying that whenever we are at this light, at this level, when market used to reject, market used to reject. In my house, in my hands, can you see? Market used to reject that, can you see? It was only once it broke through, second time it broke up. Can you see? So that is why I'll be what? I'll be flexible and I'll be more open-minded in this decision. I'll be watching out for it, the decision that market I want to take. Either it comes here to do a double bottom and push, or it drops around here, then push. That's what's going to happen on GDP JPY. Aside that, I'm looking for what? I'm looking for GDP USD as well. Let me show you. I'm looking for a sell market on this as well. Let me show you guys. I'm looking for a sell market on this. I'm looking for a sell market on USD, GDP USD. A sell market, of course. I'm looking for a sell. I'm looking to sell. Let me show you. Is this sell or buy? I don't even know. Let me see. Let me see. Okay, sorry, not GDP either. Sorry, it's not GDP rather. It's NZDUSD rather. Sorry, NZDUSD. This might take couple of days actually, couple of days, but it's a clean sell. Couple of days. Right now, it's still a buy market too. So, but if it comes to somewhere around here, the one can you see the pattern? Lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, and then lower high. If it comes to somewhere around here, let me show you. Somewhere around here, comes to somewhere around here, where the brush to? Somewhere around here, then we can be willing to short somewhere around here. However, it might take up to 2 to 3 or 4 days. But right now, if you want to make money, you shouldn't be selling. It's definitely a buy. It's definitely a buy. Just follow the trend of that buy. Right now, can you see? Let me show you. Right now, can you see? It's just a buy. Once you test back somewhere around here, let me show you guys. Once you test back to somewhere around here, you test back somewhere around here. You can be looking for a buy. Provided it gives you an entry signal candle for confirmation. Once you give it that, then you can look for a buy. You can look for a buy. They can look for a buy on that. So that is for that. I'll also be looking for that's three. Also looking for what? A buy on what? On the GDP AUD. This should come back to this point and give us a double bottom. Then we can buy. Why? Why do I say so? Come, let me show you guys. Let me show you. The last time we are here, we push. Last time we were here, we push down. Last time we are below, we push. So that means whenever we are bottom, we are selling. Whenever we are up, we are buying. Can you see now? This middle line is what is it called? A what? An area of attention, area of concentration, area of what? Concentration. So I'm willing to long. I'm willing to long. This is area of concentration here. So once you come back here and they give us a double top, equal double top or something around here, I'll be looking to buy. It's gonna be a long. This is gonna be a very long one. Let me put it there. It's gonna be a very long one, a very very crazy long one. This GDPUSD is a very if the market can set up with that, what I expected and give me that volume, it will be a very long one. It's gonna be a crazy one, guys. It's gonna be a crazy and a fantastic one. That is on GDPAUD. I'm looking for a buy, of course, a good long buy. Let me show you. I'm looking for a good long buy over there. Aha, my sub is there. I see. Good. So if market comes back to this one around here, I'm going to buy. Aside from that, and then the last one is AUD USD. AUD USD. I'll be looking for a short. Can you see? I'm looking for a short somewhere around here because the last time we were here, we short, we came back. This time we were here, we come back. So, and this point also is also a cycle level. It's also this is a cycle level. This is my trend line. This is also what an area of concentration. So it's giving me multiple conferences around this point. The last time we only came here, we did one, two, three. So after then we will be touching this here one, two, we touching this place one, two. So we can invariably say all of this is head, then this place is a shoulder. Definitely this is an area of interest. I should be looking out for an area of concentration. Aside from that, it's also a touching of my trend line. And as well, it did what we call a VU. So definitely this point I'm looking for provided is giving me what an entry I can push and come and stop here. That's the thing about it. So you must not be in a hurry to want to because I've said want to sell. I might change my condition. That's why it's very important, guys. If you're not in our community, please kindly click into the link below now in my description or on my bio and join our community. In case we change our bias, we see something that may happen and we change our biases and we're going for buy, we're going for this, it happens a lot. So please join us on our Telegram. It's free. It's a free channel. Join us on Telegram right now. Last week we rolled out about 21 signals. We lost just one tweet. 20 of it were killed. We killed and murdered it. So this is what you wouldn't want to miss. So please join right now and join us on the inside. Once again, I want to urge you if you're the first timer just watching this video for the very first time, please and please kindly subscribe to this channel and help us share on this channel so we can get more values for from us as first frequently and as time goes on. Okay. Thank you so much, everybody, and thank you for joining me once again. I hope you had a wonderful week ahead and a profitable timing ahead. Thank you guys, and God bless you. Peace out, guys.